what I want to show you here is the active lock screens that HTC has on their phones. Now it's a very vivid display. It's currently showing the weather update here. You can change the lock screens here for something which offers you social networking updates, or which has a clock, or which gives you stock updates. So it's a completely customizable thing. We've chosen weather. Now you see 4 shortcuts here for applications. This is completely customizable. You can have any apps here that you want. The idea is either to unlock the phone by sliding this upwards. See, that unlocks the phone there. Or what you can do is, in case let's say you have Facebook Messenger here or messages here and you get a message, just slide this down into the ring and it takes you straight into the message application. You may be wondering what this key is, because this is home and this is back. This is essentially a task manager for this phone. So you press here, you see all the recent applications that are open. Now how do you close it? Because there's no cross here, anything that says close. This is where the goodness of ICS is. Slide up to close. Simple. So you don't really need a special task manager application running in the background. This is the HTC Sense UI. Now what you'll notice here is the same 7 screens. What we had seen with the Sense UI that was there with the HTC Sensation XE and the Sensation XL that we had reviewed recently, is that once you reach the edge of the screens, one end of the screens, you simply scroll back to the first. Now here it doesn't move back. So essentially what you need to do is slide all the way back. So you reach the end, now you slide all the way back. Now I would have loved to see the entire scrolling thing as a circle. Moving on to the apps list, this is where HTC seems to have gone the way Samsung have with the horizontal applications list instead of the traditional vertical one. 3 tabs at the bottom for all your applications, for your frequently used applications, and for whatever apps that you've downloaded. Now, that's a pretty neat thing. So if you have a very long app list, then that's going to really help. Customizing your home screens is a very intuitive process in itself, and we really like the way it's being implemented here. How you get the widgets on HTC Sense this time around. You have all the widgets here that you can select from, or you can simply drop down and see whichever widgets that you want. You have a whole long list of widgets, some by HTC, some additional Android versions. Now going into settings, what you see here is a different look than what we're used to with Android. So this is basically the phone that we're doing today. It's the HTC ONE X build. The interesting bit is here, it's a quad-core processor with, well, I just told you, it's a 4.7-inch display with a 720p resolution, it's an 8-megapixel camera, and this has got Bluetooth 4.0. Moving back, the software here is Android 4.0.3 in play with HTC Sense 4. Talking about HTC Sense, you remember we had just told you about the HTC Sense version on the Sensation XL and the Sensation XE. That was not 4.0, that was 3.0. So a bit of difference there. This phone comes with no memory card slot, but it has 32GB built-in memory, out of which you get about 25.24GB for usage. The rest is taken up by the system for whatever applications that they need it for. This phone will last you maximum 1 day with medium to light usage. That's about it. I mean, we were testing this yesterday. We had the data running on it full all the time. We had Gtalk running, we had Facebook running, we had Twitter running, we had emails syncing, and this one lasted us just 1 day. There was hardly any voice calling, not more than a few minutes, and this one was finished by the time let's say 9 PM yesterday. So you'll probably need to carry a charger along with you if you're using it heavily, or use the tweaks to save battery. Probably disable auto sync of applications and do that manually. That's up to you.